Definitions of Chapter 6, Class 8th. Combustible substances. The substances that burn easily in the presence of air and produce heat and light. Such substances are called combustible. Example: wood, coal, kerosene, LPG. These are combustible substances. Non-combustible substances. The substances that don't burn in air are called non-combustible. Examples: all metals, stones, etc. Inflammable substances. These are those substances that catch fire very easily, or we can say their ignition temperature is very low. For example, petrol, kerosene, LPG, these catch fire very immediately because their ignition temperature is low. Flame. Flame is the reason where combustion of substance take place, or we can say the substance vaporize and produce the flame. In the example candle flame, it is shown. Fire extinguisher. This is a portable equipment which is used to put out fire. In every school, offices, buildings, you can see this. And this fire extinguisher, so this produce out carbon dioxide gas and which help in extinguishing fire. Combustion. The process of burning of a substance in the presence of air to produce heat and light is called combustion. This is the process in which a substance burns in air to produce heat and light. Next definition is of ignition temperature. This is the minimum temperature at which a combustible substance starts burning. So this minimum temperature is called ignition temperature.